So Mark, the ranch itself was built in the 1960s, but as you can see, this room was clearly renovated in the 80s.
I can see some track lighting. Even the skylight kind of tells me 80s.
Yeah. When we purchased the house, there was just a flat front.
Okay.
My grandfather helped us design and build this mantle here.
Which I think is great.
But the doors definitely take away from that.
Right.
So as you can see, the doors themselves are pretty difficult to open. They get stuck and you kind of have to wiggle them to get them to close.
Okay.
The same goes for the screen.
Well, all these problems are pretty typical with these doors. They were really put on the front of these fireplaces to help with the draft. Sometimes the air would build up outside and come down that flue and blow ash all over the living room. That's a problem. And the other problem is that it would steal heat from the room. So if the fire was dissipating, it would start to pull air from the room and you would lose heat. The doors definitely help to regulate the air so they could find a sweet spot and make it draft properly. Today, if you have a gas insert, that's what you're going to see is that glass door. So they're very typical for aesthetics these days as well. But I see you have candles in there. Are you guys burning wood?
We do. During the wintertime we burn wood, but throughout the rest of the year we like to have the candles going.
Okay, so I think we can make a big improvement over here. So why don't we get this door off and check it out? Great. All right. All right, so this door is only held in by a screw and a bolt, which I can undo right now. So if you want to hold that for me.
Sure.
I'll just take this screw out. I'll take the nut driver for this one. All right, that's done. Okay, so the side's out.
Okay.
All right, we'll just pop that out. So if you could grab that side.
Yep.
Okay. All right, now it should just slip out. All right, nice. So pick her right up. And let's walk it right out. All right, so there's the new door. How do you like it?
They look really nice.
Okay, so this one was a little bit odd because of the size of your opening. It's a little bit shorter here and a little bit longer here, so we actually had to have this door custom made. So this is 16 gauge steel. It's black powder coat paint, and this is tempered glass, and it's also on a trackless frame. The other great thing about this door is it's easy install. The last one we took out was just a couple screws. This one actually has 4. So let's take this door off and we're going to work on it when it's flat. Yep, right down.
Okay.
Watch the glass. And then just drop it right down onto the styrofoam. So we're going to put in 2 of the 4 straps before we install the door. Once we do that, it's going to be very easy to find out where we have to drill on the inside. Find that hole in the strap, poke it through, go back to the brass, twist it a little, and then tighten her up with your screwdriver. Just make sure it's flat. All right, so just make sure you grab the glass and just flip it up. All right, just remember you have 1/2 inch of coverage, as do I.
Okay.
Now let's peel this tape off the doors. All right. Now we're going to be able to open the door. Great. So just hold it into place, and I'm going to lean over and do that mark, and then you can lean over and do mine. All right, great. Let's get these doors out and then drill the holes. All right, Melanie, so I'm clamped in nice and tight. I just want to check level. That looks great. Now let's start driving these screws in. All right, Melanie, what do you think?
Wow, such a simple change makes a big transformation.
Oh, I really love the way it looks, but after you go to bed, just make sure you keep the doors closed. That way you don't lose any heat up to the flue. But other than that, keep adding logs and keep that fire roaring.
Great. Thank you so much, Mark.
You're welcome.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.